Namaste and welcome to day 26 of Mindful 30 journey, and today's practice is about kindness. With that, I encourage you to start lying down today. Okay, we'll start lying down on the spine, keeping both hands on your belly, eyes closed, knees bend, and you can choose to drop your knees into each other by separating the heels. Chin down, eyes closed, and observe how you're breathing. Observe the rise and fall in your belly. We're going to chant Om sound together after the next inhalation. Inhale. Today, I'm going to be kind towards myself and everyone around me. Slowly open your eyes. We're going to start with taking both the knees to your chest. Like I said, today's practice is about being kind. So let's start with being kind to ourselves. So you're going to get your knees towards your chest and just drop it side to side, just a little bit, massaging your lower body. Yes. Relaxing your face, your chin. Now slowly add circle. Yes. 3 circles. And then you reverse the direction of the circle. Good. Take this process as a joyful process and slowly straighten your knees. Drop it down and bring it into butterfly. Lying butterfly. Keeping your hands wherever you find comfort at. Keeping your eyes closed. And just breathing into this posture. Let's do 5 breaths together with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last breath. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly take support of your hands and bring your knees together. From here, separate your heels and take your right heel over the left thigh. And then drop your leg on the right side. Yes. Now relax and look over the left. Feel the twist happening into your spine. And just breathe into it. Let your body ease into it. Today's practice is about unwinding, about restoring. So let's add breath into this. I'm going to give you a counter. So first one, you're going to do it with me guiding you. After that, you're going to count it for yourself throughout this practice. So you're going to inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1 and exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If 6 counts exhalation is a lot for you, you can go for 4 counts exhalation. Okay, inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly get your legs back into center. Release the right leg. Go for the left side. Left leg up and drop it on the left side. Both shoulders down. And continue counting for yourself here. Just breathe. Close your eyes. Try to follow the breath rhythm. Slowly come back center. From here, you're going to take both the legs up, bend the knees, and bring it into happy baby. Yes, we're just going to cradle the baby from the right to left. Yes, right, left, right, left, right, left, and right, left. Slowly release. Bend both the knees, press your palms down, and lift up the pelvis and stay here. Push the shoulder down and chin away from your chest and drill from your heels deep down into the floor. And just stay here and breathe. Start counting for your breathing again. See if the breathing pattern helps you. You have to give a little effort and try before you decide for it. Slowly release. It's amazing. Alright, from here, you're just gonna drop your right knee. Alright, from here, so you're just gonna roll over to your belly. And watch, your right hand is into cactus. So my right elbow and right shoulder is in one line. My right ear is on the floor and left hand is on the palms. Take your left leg up and drop it on the right side. You will feel the stretch in this region of the right hand, this region. Yes? Breathe and stay. Slowly reverse. Come back and the same thing on the other side. So place your left elbow and shoulder in one straight line. Drop your left ear on the floor and just twist, taking your right leg up and drop it on the left side. Breathe. From here, stop counting the breathing pattern of 4 6. Now start just understanding how long your body is naturally breathing. So just count how much counts it takes for you to inhale and how much counts does it take for you to exhale. And see if the tempo is continued in the practice or if you see any changes. Just understand your breath. If there's areas of numbness that you feel when you do the stretch, it's okay. Just breathe into it. Slowly release. Relax your hands down and just stay here. Slowly take your legs apart, drop your heel inside, toes outside, Makarasana, crocodile pose, and take your right elbow over the left. And just drop your head and breathe. Slowly from here, just change the elbows other way around and just breathe. Slowly release. Take your toes inside. Push back up and come into all fours position. From here, take your left hand on your head, open your heart to the side, and from there extend the arms. Exhale, take your arms through and thread the needle. Drop your left shoulder down, left ear down, and rotate your body into a gentle twist and just breathe there. Focus on your breathing. Slowly lift up. Come back into tabletop. Same thing on the other side. Right hand behind the head. Open it. Take your arms up and exhale. Thread it through. Drop your right shoulder down, right ear down, and just twist your body and stay there. Allow your belly to breathe. You'll see getting more accessible in this posture. Kindness is a language, the only language that is heard by a deaf and seen by a blind. And that is something that really inspires me to be kind towards myself and also everyone around me. So let's channelize this kindness within us and around us. Let's take this energy and try to sustain it throughout this day and further beyond as much as you can. Slowly unwind. Come back into tabletop. Arch your back. And slowly slide your hands slightly ahead and drop your chest down and breathe. Allow your body to breathe here. And slowly see the magic of breath. How it makes everything very accessible for you. Very approachable for us. Slowly find your way coming back up. And even slowly come up into seated position. Relax your body. Close your eyes. Keep both hands on your heart. I am kind towards myself and I am kind towards everyone around me. Gently relax your hands. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you are able to carry this kindness feeling along with you, not just on the mat, but also off the mat, all across the surrounding and the world. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and try to see if you can rest for at least 2 to 5 minutes after this practice. Have a beautiful day ahead.